Like I promised you guys, snorkeling and jet skiing today. He's still here in Puerto Vallarta. It's another beautiful sunny day. Here with Mahlon and TV Tours, and look what we just came across.
That's one of the girlfriends. Yeah. That's a male, female, and there's more girlfriends over there. The only male here. They're territorial. Yeah, he has bought the other ones. Big chicks too, look.
Yeah, he does.
Yeah, he likes flowers.
So yeah, we did this tours with TV Tours, and we just had to come down to Mahlon, Puerto Vallarta. And now we're gonna head over to the jet skis. Is it okay if I record you for YouTube?
Oh, man, no problem.
Yes, sir. This is our tour guide. What's your name again, man?
Armando.
Armando, yeah.
Yeah, we're here to have fun.
Yes,
Welcome,
yes,
Puerto Vallarta. You guys gotta come
Yes,
here.
sir. TV Tours. I'm telling you guys, the vibe that I've already got from this guy is really good. So I'm expecting a really good day. Yes, sir.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. So
Yeah, jet skis are 2022.
2022 jet skis.
Yeah, they go about 65 miles.
Okay.
You know, they go 85 kilometers
That's good, man.
per hour.
Cool. Are we only doing jet skis today, or like doing snorkeling as well?
We're doing the snorkeling 15 minutes. I have the gear already there.
All right, cool.
Ready. I'm gonna provide you with life jackets.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, life jackets. They all have shark repellent.
I'm dead. So yeah, today should be a very good day, and I got the waterproof GoPro, so it should be decent.
All right. So first of all, I will be driving this one. Okay. All right. So this double, these three are for you guys. Okay. All right. So you can put your stuff in the trunk compartment. You're welcome to do that. Shoes on.
Armando.
Yep.
Shoes on, shoes off.
Shoes off. It's better put them in the compartment. All right. So
There's no way we can do singles, right?
no. These two, they have little problems. I don't want you to like. There. Come on, let me explain. This right here is for the phone. Has this little cushion. Let your phone in there, close, and then it has a special compartment just for the phone. Alright? It's really good.
Alright, cool.
I will give you life jacket.
So let me go get prepared, and then I'll check back in with you guys when I'm on the jet ski.
Shark
My day just went from a expected 10 to an expected like 7, probably 8, because the jet skis are double and not single. I try to get him to accept some cash. I tried to get him to accept some cash for me to jump on another one, but he actually showed me that the other two don't work. So yeah, that's a little bummer, but we're gonna still make the best of it though.
Beginner. Yeah, beginner. First time.
Got my life jacket on, ready to go.
Okay, so what I was explaining about that truck is the main point is don't be afraid. He doesn't do anything. We're not in the menu. Okay, even if you see one or two, we're not in the menu. Okay, you see people down in the water stripping off the barnacles of the boats, and I've been seeing those guys there for 20 years. You know, I see them through legs. You know, there's been attacks though. Other places like near the swamp, because the marina stresses a lot. People over there, so they have had encounters, but they still have 2 legs. You know, it's just like boom, bumps, and I'll probably need a change of bundles after that. You know, but or like more like this, like you know. Yeah. So don't worry about it. Okay. All right. Welcome to Jet Ski Adventure. My name is Armando, in charge of your safety, and of course, provide the best tour I can. Okay. We're gonna do a formation called V-shape. Same formation the military planes do. Okay. So I'll be riding right in the middle at the front. I'll have 2 jet skis on my right side and 1 on my left side. Okay. The most important of this formation is the distance that we're gonna have in between. So let's say from here to the rocks, or about 70 feet. So if I'm riding here, I want to see the first jet ski on my right side all the way to the rocks. Same distance to the other side to see that other jet ski. Okay? Alright. And same distance to see that other jet ski. Why so much? Because distance means no accident. Okay? So on the way, you guys can do like a splashing here, splashing there on the way. That's fine, okay? But we don't interfere with each other if we have distance in between. If I go faster than you, do not close up near my wake. It's 70 feet to my side, not back, okay? So if you end up close to my wake, speed up to catch up, to be my wake, okay? It's important also that you guys don't pass me. If you do pass me, then you might not be able to see any of my visual signals, which are speed up, slow down, turn your jet ski off, okay? To turn the jet ski off, unplug your key of the ignition. What you do, let me explain with this one. It's on. Long press the red button on. Long press off. If you're scared, there's an emergency or something, I don't want you to be fucking with the red button and then long press the button. What you do, place your hand over the key, push down, disconnects right away. Everything shuts off, okay? Alright, this means ¿Cómo estás? How are you? You guys okay? Reply the same. So it means two things. How are you? And I'm fine. If you guys see me do this at the front, that's the direction to where we are heading. Okay? Sometimes we're riding in a group, we see a yacht coming our way, I will start changing direction just so we can avoid it. Okay? If I point at something and go like this, it means dolphins. Over there, dolphins! Over there! Whale! Manta! Turtle! I made those up. Okay? Coming up next, the crocodile sign.
Oh.
No, I'm not gonna make a sign for you. I have other signs, you know, I made those signs, but those are party signs, let me tell you, okay? How do you order a Corona in Mexico? One Corona,
Okay.
one Pacifico, and one Victoria.
Okay.
You know? Alright, that's too much information. Okay. So, okay, so rules by the harbor. I have to tow you out. So I'm saying one jet ski behind the other just to get you out of the marina. Okay? Then I'm gonna start towing. Once we're out there, I will tell you to turn it on. Don't use the gas, just on. That's just to help me tow. The last jet ski has to remain off. Okay, the last jet ski is probably gonna be, I don't know who's gonna be, but the last jet ski, it won't have to turn it on. Okay. Now you're in a basic model of Sea-Doo. Basic model means that it has no brakes. That sounds funny, but when you let go of the gas, it slows down right away. Okay. This is for the beginners. When you turn a jet ski on, if this is your first time on jet ski, let me tell you, these machines are built to go fast, not slow. Okay, they work with the speed. The speed is your friend. That's what I'm trying to say. So some people get scared and they go so slow. This is a jet ski tour, you know, where it's meant to go fast. We have 20, 22 jet skis. They run so beautifully fast. Let's try it. All right. So okay. So when you turn on the jet ski, you will notice right away it goes forward really slow, but you might have very little direction, and the stability, it might move a little bit. These types of Sea-Doos, they don't tip over. These ones, two people on a jet ski, they tip over only when people like grab someone not to fall so hard and they go in the water. Sea-Doo changed the bottom of the jet ski.
That was him explaining that the marina was a swamp before, and then they turned it into a marina. So like the Crocs left and went a little higher up, but there's still occasionally Crocs. But he said that there's never been like any attacks of like people getting like hurt or anything like that. So yeah, unfortunately I am at the back of Mahlon, but we're probably gonna change once or twice. It should be a fun experience. I'm really looking forward to the snorkeling though. That's what I really like, snorkeling. This guy's cleaning the boats. The other guys that are traveling with us. And a small little cruiser. Should be a good day. Stay tuned. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Towed out of the marina into open water, and then we'll be set free and the adventure begins. Go. Oh yeah, he did say it's not gonna flip over. You drive the boat, cuz. Bro. We're gonna do circles like ghosts. Let's go around. There's this. If I don't hold on to that strap, I'm in the water. These Asian motherfuckers gotta, I mean damn, these Asian people gotta give me their jet ski. Yo, GoPro, just go somewhere, dog. Watch yourself. I just fell in the water. I was holding on. I just did a second. I didn't remember that I had my shit on me.
When we're heading back.
Yeah, to swap, yeah. Yo, jet skis are so powerful, man. Very, very powerful. And they should go fast, man. What do you think, Mahlon? Say what's up, guys.
What's up?
Oh man, I can't wait till I get on. Flippers so I can actually go out and then you guys enjoy the water. I'm sure I'm good, yeah. I'll probably get back in the view. Yeah, I'm probably gonna go down there now, closer to the rocks. Oh, this one, Feels good. All up you see is some flippers, man. And unfortunately, life vest is mandatory. Fix your pants. This was a good experience, man. Really good experience. Now coming to the end of our little snorkeling, skydiving trip. It was really cool. The only thing that I didn't like was that we didn't have our individual jet skis. Like, we couldn't get individual jet skis even though I tried to offer the guy cash. And the snorkeling bit, they had no flippers. But yeah, all in all, it was a really cool experience. It was my first time on jet skis. It was first time as well, yeah? First time, both of our first times on jet skis. So yeah, it was a cool experience. So hopefully next time when I do jet skis, I can be by myself, so I could really open this, because it's really uncomfortable when you're at the back. But yeah, this might be the end of this video, or if I find something interesting a little further out when we get back to the dock, then I'll check back in. But yeah, I love you guys. Deuces. Woo! I wish